children. Hi, good morning. Welcome back to our today's online class. Today, we are going to discuss about a new chapter 3, My Family. Is it? Already we discussed about this topic. Now we are doing a revision class. Is it? Just I will tell you just orally. Okay? Do you all know about family? Is it? What is family? Anyone else? A family is a group of members live together. Is it? We call it as family. And in the society, there is a very important role in family. Is it? We all have families. Is it? Now, do you all know how many types of families? Yes, there are two types of families. One is nuclear family and another one is joint family. Is it? Nuclear family and one more thing is joint family. Joint family. Do you know what is nuclear family? As a nuclear family has only parents and children. In a nuclear family has only a parents and children. What about the joint family? Parents, so children's, grandparents, uncle, aunts. Is it? In the joint family there are grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt, and the children. Is it? We call it as a joint family. Or a parents and children together to form a nuclear family. Is it clear? Understand what is family and what are the kinds of family? How the family members are related? How the family members are related? Let's look. Introducing family members or what we call a family members. What we call for your father parents. What do you call for your father parents? Father parents in Ajja, Ajji and in English, grandfather, grandmother and together we call it as grandparents. How do that? What about your mother parents? Mother parents is same. Grandparents and then how do that? There is a word. This is maternal and paternal and the correct. Okay. Father parents are maternal and mother parents are paternal parents and the correct. Okay. Just take this one only. Father parents also a grandparents. Mother parents are also a grandparents. Is it? Father's brother is what you call? What you call for your father's brother? Uncle. Is it? Uncle's wife is aunt. Uncle, aunt is children or cousins. Is it? Uncle, aunt is children. We call it as cousins. Mother's sister is? Your mother's sister is aunt. Is it? Your mother's sister is aunt. Your father's brother is uncle. Is it clear? This is a brief explanation of a family. A family contains two kinds, that is nuclear and a joint family. In there are a father parents, mother parents and father's brother, mother's sister and also uncle, aunt and the children. These are all the contents of family members. Is it? In these family members, how they are helping one another? We have to help each other. Is it? We have to help each other and we also help our grandparents, is it? Because grandparents all play with us, they can tell interesting stories, is it? And also they can take where we want to go. They can also take them to the park, is it? Grandparents play a very important role in the grandsons, isn't it? Any doubts? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ, ಹೌದು ತಾನೆ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಪಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದು ತಾನೆ? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ we have to help them, all the members of the family, is it? We have to help each other. In what way we have to help? Wish everyone. Every day we have to wish good morning or else good night in the family members, and always we have to obey our elders' thoughts. ಅಂದರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡವರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಮಾತನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಹೂ ಈಸ್ ಇಲ್. ಯಾರಿಗೋ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೇರನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕೋ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ರೂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿಯವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ರೂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಹೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಅಟ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ 3 ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆನಾ? No. Hope everyone is understand the class. Is it? Now I will give you some questions. You have to answer it. Okay? I will ask you some questions. You have to write in your homework book. Okay? Look. First one. What is family? What is family? Next. What is nuclear family? What is nuclear family? And third one, what is joint family? Okay, you have to answer all the 3 questions in your homework book. Okay, children? Now, move to the textbook part. All of you open our textbook, page number 11. Open the page number 11. Okay, look. Hi children, here is your exercise part. Chapter 3, My Family. Saina draws a picture of her family in a drawing competition in school. She tells her teacher about her family. Saina is attending a drawing competition held at school and she drew a picture of her family. She was explaining about her family to his teacher. Look, I live with my father, mother and younger brother. I live in a nuclear family. She was telling, my family is a nuclear family. I live with my father, mother and a younger brother. A family is a group of people related to each other. A family is a group of people. It's related to one another. Grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts and children together make a family. All members of a family may or may not live in the same house. In a family, all the members may or may not be stay in a same family. Nuclear family. A nuclear family has only parents and children. It may be big or a small. In a nuclear family, there are only a parents and the children. It may be a small or B. Here, joint family. A joint family as a grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts and cousins living together in the same family, living together in a same family or same house. Joint family means what? A joint family as grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts and cousin living together in the same house. They call it as a joint family. How? We are related. Let's meet Saina's family. Now we can meet the Saina's family. Saina, a brother, mother and her father. Is it? Mother's grandmother, grandfather, father, grandmother, grandfather. And here is a Saina's father's or mother's sister is her aunt, and her father's or mother's brother is her uncle. Okay, this is her family picture of Saina and how they are related. Okay, look here. Saina's uncle or aunt's children are her cousins. Saina is her grandparents' granddaughter and her brother is the grandson. Here, how we have to helping one another in our family. Our grandparents play with us, tell us stories and take us to park. They do many other things to show their love for us. Our parents look after all our needs. They work hard to make us comfortable. We can also show our love for our family in many ways. Wish everyone good morning and good night. Don't disobey your elders or be rude to them. Take care of your family member who is unwell. Do not be rude to your brother or a sister. Help everyone at home. Okay, you have to help everyone to others. Say good morning and good night wishes to everyone and obey orders of your elders. Take care of your family members when one who is unwell. Okay, look, here is your exercise time. Is it? What is family? Do you all know what is family? I already explained it. Is it? A family is a group of members live together. A family is a group of members live together. What is a nuclear family? A family contains parents and children are called nuclear family. What is a joint family? A family contains grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts and their children are called joint family. Here is the fourth one. Write 2 ways in which you help your family. Write 2 ways in which you help your family. To watering the plants, to arrange the books. Here is a B main. Write yes or no, then write the correct answer wherever needed. One example is done for you. Mother's brother is grandfather? No, was uncle. Is it? Parents or cousins? No, they are grandparents. Father's brother is uncle? Yes. Mother's sister is grandmother? No, mother's sister is auntie or aunt. Okay. Uncle's children or parents? No, they are cousins. Uncle's wife is on? S, of course. Is it? Here is a C. Who did the right thing? Put a right or a cross. Did you wish your family good morning today? If you wished your family, you put a right. Yes, I did. Or else if you forget, no, I forget. Or else I never wish them. You have to write it. What you do this. Okay. Just I tick to the S, I did. Like way. How did you help your grandmother who is ill? I given tick for the I give her medicines and spend time with her. Next, turn the page. Here is the third one. How did you help your mother today? I helped her clean the fridge. I watched cartoons on TV. I helped her in cooking and water the plants. Yes, I helped her clean the fridge. You have to take it. Okay. And here is a D mean. Paste or draw a picture of your family members in the photo frame. Look, here is a photo frame. Is it? You have to paste your family photo. Okay. Next, it's a activity time. You have to do it yourself by the help of your parents. Okay. Write what you call the following people in your family. What you call for your grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, mother's brother, father's brother, mother's sister, and father sister. These two names you have to write with the help of your parents. Okay, children, do it properly. Don't get neglect. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.